Hey guys, in a previous lesson we learned about binomial products. We know binomial products have two terms in each expression. So we have two terms and we have two terms here and they are multiplying together. We have a binomial times another binomial. We know there is a invisible multiplication here. So binomial products. Now I'm going to show you a special way, a shortcut for some of the binomial products. These are called special products. Today we're going to be looking at a special binomial product called perfect squares. Perfect squares. These are examples of perfect squares. Why? Because we have a binomial times itself. They are exactly the same. They are called perfect squares. A binomial b minus 3 times b minus 3. Whenever you see and you can recognize and identify a special binomial like this one called perfect squares, they are the same and they're multiplied together, there is a shortcut. I'll show you the shortcut right now. Step number 1. In this shortcut, we basically multiply b by itself. So we square the first term. Square the first term. b squared. Step 2. We multiply the terms together. We multiply the two terms together. b times negative 3. b times negative 3 is negative 3b. Negative 3b times 2 is negative 6b. That's a second step. So the first step is to square the first term. b times b, b squared, there it is. The second step is to multiply the two terms together. b times negative 3 is negative 3b, then times by 2. Very important not to forget, you have to times by 2. So b times negative 3 is negative 3b times 2, negative 6b. The third and last step, we square the second term. We square the second term. This is negative 3. We square it. Negative 3 times negative 3. So we times it by itself. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. They're the three steps. Step 1, we square the first term. b squared. b times b, b squared. The second step, we multiply the two terms together. b times negative 3 is negative 3b. Then we times by 2. Negative 3 times b is negative 3b times 2, negative 6b. Third step, last step, we basically square the last term. Negative 3, or the second term, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. There is our binomial product expanded. If we are going to use the old method, we're still going to get the same answer, but it is longer. This is quicker and more efficient. Whenever you see perfect squares, we follow these three steps. Square the first one, then multiply negative 3 times b, multiply the two terms together, then times them by 2, negative 6b. Last step, negative 3, we square the last term. Negative 3 squared is positive 9. There is our answer. We're going to do some more examples just to get the hang of it. Looking here again, we have a binomial product. a plus 5 in brackets times a plus 5 in brackets. We know it's not just any binomial product. These are called perfect squares. They are identical. We are multiplying them together. So we follow the same steps. Step 1. What did we say step 1 was? To square the first term. Square the first term, a squared. Then step 2, we multiply the two terms together. a times 5 or 5 times a is 5a. Then we times by 2. Very important, times 2. 5 times a is 5a times 2, 10a. And last step, we square the second term. 5, here it's positive 5, so 5 squared is 25. a squared plus 10a plus 25, it's exactly the same as doing it the old-fashioned way, but this is quicker and more efficient, takes less time and less effort. You just need to know the 3 steps. Let's do 2 more examples. Our last 2 examples for perfect squares. Is this a perfect square? Yes, it is, because we know squared means times by itself. So whenever you see 2y minus 3, we see a binomial expression like this, and it's basically squared. It really means 2y minus 3 and 2y minus 3. That's what it really means. Squared means it times by itself. So this is a perfect square. We follow the same process. Step 1, what do? We square the first term. The first term is there. We square it. 4y squared. 2y times 2y is 4y squared. Then the second step, we multiply the terms together. 2y times negative 3. This is not a 3, this is a negative 3. 2y times negative 3 is negative 6y. Then we times by 2. Negative 6y times 2, negative 12y. That's the second step done. Third step, easy. We basically square the second term. Negative 3 squared. Negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. There's our answer. Very easy. So whenever you see it squared, it means it's a special product. It's a perfect square. We follow these steps. Last one. 2x minus 5 all squared. We know this is a perfect square. We follow the same process. So we know we have to square the first term. 2x times 2x, 4x squared. That's the first term. Squared, it's taken care of. Now, second step, we multiply the 2 terms together and then times by 2. Negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x. Negative 10x times 2, negative 20x. Negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x times 2, negative 20x. Last step, we square the last term there. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. So that is our answer. Do we need to simplify any further? There's nothing to simplify, so just basically it stays that way. 4x squared minus 20x plus 25. This is how simple it is. It's a shortcut. However, you need to identify, you need to straight away notice, hang on, this is a perfect square. This is a perfect square. Use a shortcut. It's quicker, more efficient, and saves you time and energy. This is how it's done. These are perfect squares.